ko kung hindi niya lang pinilit yung tira na yun, he could actually bring the fight and matapos yung round, yung walang sipa, parang gano'n, 'no? Kasi nakita ko na sa mata niya, eh. Pumasok siya, wala yung killer instinct niya, wala yung confidence niya, and I feel naramdaman ko yun, and therefore I conclude dahil sa injury na yun. Dahil yun sa injury, because of that injury, he doesn't have that kind of confidence that he had in the past, 'no? And right now, we saw, 'no, ang tira niya kasi tingin ko mali din posisyon yun, eh. Nag-trigger yung injury na yun. I mean, sorry, um, yes, he had the injury, pero what I meant to say is, yung injury, naramdaman niya yung injury na yun before the fight. Siguro nung training pa lang, nung kaano na, meron na, may nangyayari na hindi maganda. But they have to push it through. They have to push it through. And then later on, siguro tingin niya na kaya niya, 'no? He made that kind of move or that attack that could lift, 'no? What I'm trying to say, kumbaga, pagbagsak niya, buong katawan niya ang nasa, yung lahat ng puwersa niya dito sa paa niya is yung buong katawan niyang binubuhat. Dun, dun nagsimula, I think, dun ang ano dun nag-trigger ulit. Pero tingin ko meron na talaga siyang naramdaman na ano, sakit nun. Kasi nung paghubad ng sapatos, kung makikita niyo, paghubad ng sapatos talaga, 'di ba, nagkakaano na siya, eh. Wala, talo talaga. Kasi kung masasabi natin okey lang sana kung natalo si McGregor, round 1, round 2, umabot kahit natapos lang yung round 1, we would understand. But this one, this is already a neglect or sabihin natin kapababayaan ng McGregor team. Because of that, they know that they had already the injury. Yung strategy ni McGregor talagang wala. I don't know, pero masaya pa rin yun kasi bayad naman siya, eh. Bayad, eh. Pero pangit talaga ng ano, pangit ng comeback ni McGregor. I don't know, he still need to go back, pero tingin ko, still have a chance to go back to the fight. He can still kick, pero yun nga lang, ingat na. I think he need to run it back. Pagalingin yung injury, balikan nila yan. I don't know if fan would able to go watch the fight again. Ang pangit. Talaga, I mean, dismayado din ako. Actually, nung entourage o yung pagpasok ni McGregor, hindi ko nakita yung ano, yung paghubad ng sapatos. Anyway, guys, that's all for now, no? Upset of the year to, guys. Upset of the year sa mga fans. Upset of the year. Ay, nako. Anyway, that's all for now, guys. No, thank you so much for your time.